We chase complicated routines thinking more is always better. I was there too. Then I discovered the Pallof press, and it changed everything. It wasn't flashy, no crazy movements, but the results? Let me tell you, they were undeniable. The Pallof press is all about resisting rotation. It's about building that deep inner core strength, the kind of strength that translates to everything you do. Think about it. Every movement, from picking up groceries to swinging a golf club, starts with your core. A strong core equals a strong you. I remember the first time I incorporated the Pallof press into my routine. It was humbling. I thought I was strong, but this exercise exposed weaknesses I didn't even know I had. It forced me to engage muscles I never knew existed. And the best part? It didn't take long to see and feel the difference. My posture improved, my balance got better, and my lifts got stronger. It was like my entire body was working in sync, all thanks to this simple yet incredibly effective exercise. That's the beauty of the Pallof press. It's not about building a show-off six-pack, it's about building real, functional strength from the inside out. So what exactly makes the Pallof press so special? It's all about anti-rotation. Imagine holding a resistance band attached to a pole. As you press the band away from your body, it wants to pull you towards it. Your job is to resist that pull, keeping your body straight and your core engaged. This constant battle against rotation activates your deep core muscles like nothing else. We're talking obliques, transverse abdominis, even your back muscles. It's like giving your entire midsection a 360-degree workout, and the benefits extend far beyond just a stronger core. A stronger core means better posture. No more slouching, no more back pain. It means improved balance and stability, making you less prone to injuries. It even translates to increased power and strength in all your other exercises. The Pallof press is also incredibly versatile. You can do it with a resistance band, a cable machine, even a dumbbell. You can vary the resistance, the angle, and the movement to target different areas of your core. It's like having a whole core workout in one simple exercise. And speaking of resistance bands, don't underestimate the power of these simple yet effective tools. Resistance bands are like the Swiss Army knife of fitness. They're portable, affordable, and incredibly versatile. You can use them for a full-body workout, but they're especially amazing for targeting your core. With resistance bands, you can add an extra challenge to traditional core exercises like planks, crunches, and Russian twists. The resistance forces your muscles to work harder, leading to faster results. Plus, the constant tension throughout the movement ensures you're engaging your core muscles throughout the entire exercise. But the real magic of resistance bands lies in their ability to add instability. This instability forces your core to work overtime to maintain balance and control. It's like taking your core training to the next level. Think about it. In real life, you're rarely perfectly stable. You're constantly adjusting and reacting to different forces. Resistance bands help you build that functional core strength that translates to everyday movements. Section 4. Your Pallof Press Playbook. Mastering the moves. Ready to unleash the power of the Pallof Press and resistance bands? Here's a quick guide to get you started. Pallof Press. Attach a resistance band to a sturdy object at chest height. Stand sideways, hold the band with both hands, and press. Keep your core engaged, press the band away, and resist rotation. Hold, then return to the start position, maintaining tension. Focus on maintaining perfect form throughout each exercise. Engage your core, breathe deeply, and listen to your body. Start with a resistance level that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form. Section 5. Join the movement. Your fitness journey starts today. The journey to a stronger, healthier you starts with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Start today. Incorporate the Pallof Press and resistance band exercises into your routine and feel the difference. Remember, consistency is key. Make fitness a habit, not a chore. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your lifestyle. And don't be afraid to reach out for support. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for health and fitness. Join our community. Share your fitness journey with us. Tell us about your favorite core exercises, your progress, your struggles, and your triumphs. Leave a comment below, subscribe to our channel, and let's motivate each other to achieve our fitness goals. Together, we can build a stronger, healthier tomorrow.